Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Arfat Mujib from FEI Higher Secondary Institute. Today I am with chapter number 3rd. Chapter is diversity in living organisms, and chapter is it is a science 9th biology 9th class, biology 9th, and that today my topic in this is that is the kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi जो इसमें आज हमारा टॉपिक रहेगा चैप्टर डाइवर्सिटी इन लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स। तो आज हम इनके बारे में बात कर लेंगे, वेरियस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स अबाउट द किंगडम फंगी, एंड they are usually known as saprophytes, as decomposing organic matter. Now in this here we can say जो word fungi जो है fungi, it is a plural term, and the fungus जो word fungus है it is a singular, and this word is plural. That means we talk about in this topic about the various types of the fungi. Then is the word fungi, and if we talk about a particular species, we talk about then of fungus. Now, what are the various characteristic features of this kingdom fungi? As W.H. Whitaker placed this kingdom fungi in his classification, 5-system classification, in 1969, placed the third kingdom. Here is the kingdom fungi. In a kingdom fungi, what are various features, characteristic features of this kingdom fungi. Kingdom fungi के हम बहुत सारे इनको पॉइंट्स में पढ़ेंगे. These are eukaryotes. Eukaryotes, that means composed of made of eukaryotic cell. Eukaryotic cell से बने हुए हैं. You know the eukaryotic cell is the cell which have well-defined nucleus, membrane-bound cell organelles, well cell membrane, complex in structure. Then its cell range remains between 1 to 100 micrometer. These are it is your features of the eukaryotic cell is known as the true cell. These fungi are the eukaryotes are made of eukaryotic cell. Number second is if we talk about their mode of nutrition. Their mode of nutrition, they are heterotrophic mode of nutrition. उनमें heterotrophic mode of nutrition होती है. They are heterotrophs. खास तौर इनमें हम देखेंगे heterotrophs में they have submodes of heterotrophic nutrition, parasitic, saprophytic, है ना, holozoic. इनमें क्या देखा जाता है? Usually they are saprophytic mode of nutrition, saprophytic nutrition. And they have some species include in the kingdom fungi. They have the parasitic nutrition. Parasites. They develop. They remain inside or on the surface of the host. Parasitic nutrition and saprophytic nutrition. Both the nutrition comes under the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Usually they don't have chloroplast. They don't have, although they have few features associated with kingdom Plantae, but they lack chlorophyll in their bodies. That will lack of chlorophyll in their bodies, chlorophyll in their bodies, इनके bodies में chlorophyll नहीं होता है, तो therefore they are non photosynthetic organisms. Non photosynthetic organisms, these are the non photosynthetic organisms. जब इनमें क्लोरोफिल नहीं होता है, they lack chlorophyll pigment, and or hence are non photosynthetic. Therefore they cannot synthesize their own food. You know that the fungi are the decomposers. They are the saprophytes. They decompose organic matter of plants, animals, and their animal excreta, animal wastes, and they decompose in order to convert this organic rich complex substance into simpler inorganic substances. They feed on them. And now in the fourth point I will go to discuss in this kingdom fungi. That means fourth is that they are composed of network of hyphae. The network of hyphae then gives the formation of mycelium. Their body, इनकी जो body होती है, body composed of hyphae, hyphae, hyphae. Their body is composed of hyphae, and the network, इसका जो hyphae, network of hyphae is known as the mycelium. Or their body is composed of mycelium. Then this mycelium forms the vegetative part and reproductive part in a fungus. They give the formation, then they build up the vegetative part, या हम कहेंगे यहाँ पे इसको नाम और भी है, fruiting part. And then second, this mycelium gives the formation, also it also forms the reproductive part in fungi. They give the mycelium, then some part of mycelium give the formation of its vegetative part, and some is modified into the reproductive part. So it is also known as the assimilatory part, assimilatory part, या assimilative part, या ऐसे लिखेंगे assimilative part, reproductive part. Then it is mycelium. यहाँ पे थोड़ा डायग्राम से मैं आपको बताता हूँ hyphae, what the hyphae look like. Then what is the hyphae is? Now it is then what is this? It is then structural unit. Then it is structural unit in fungi. ये therefore structural unit है, इन्हीं से बनता है. सब में अगर हम देखेंगे simplest part seen in the fungus, that is made of hyphae. इनका जो network जो रहता है, कुछ part substratum part पर बनाते हैं, which hold up, which takes up the nourishment from the substratum, which takes that vegetative part, helps the fungus to take nutrients, water, minerals by the ground, by the soil, by the decomposed matter. And the reproductive part helps in the formation of the spores, in the formation of the zygote gametes. And then this structure part, if I talk about the hyphae, they look like in this way. They are of simpler in this way. Some are simply in this structure. This is the first, this is the second part here. Then you can look up, you see that what is the hyphal part. This is the hyphae part, hyphae. Then the network, when there is a composition of network of this hyphae, they give the formation of, then they give the formation of, here is the hyphae, then it connects with the another hyphae here, it connects with the another hyphae here, and then there is another connection here, the connection of the hyphae here. Here is, if I talk about the connection, then they compose it of this matter here. I will give here the particular details of. Here you give this structure. Here it gives a network here. This is then known as the mycelium. Then gives the formation. अभी मैंने बताया कुछ इससे बनता है vegetative part, कुछ इससे बनता है reproductive part बनता है, इससे कुछ बनता है vegetative part. When this hyphae have a composition, have a network, they give the mycelium part, vegetative or reproductive part. And then it we can say, then this hyphae sometimes is of two types. One is the aseptate, and second is the septate. इसके दो forms है, दो kinds है. It is of two kinds. This hyphae is of two kinds. One is the septate, aseptate, दूसरा है septate. Aseptate क्या होता है? If it is the hyphae, then if it is hyphae, we can say that it is aseptate. There is a nucleus. There is nucleus in the center, and it is multicellular, and there is a protoplasm. Then there is no, then I will say this is the aseptate hyphae. That means they have no partition, they have no septum. Septum means they have no wall. Septum, which septum is the, in the biology point of view, septum is a wall which separates the two substances, two material. Between the cell there is a septum, there is a medium, there is a wall. Septate, septum. तो असल में septum क्या होता है? Wall होता है, which separate the cells. This is there is a hyphae. If it is cell membrane, then it is a cell wall here. This is the cell wall. Now what is this? This is the nucleus. There is also the protoplasm in this hyphae. It is a aseptate type of hyphae, and there is, then this hyphae is a multicellular and composed of multinucleated, multinucleated hyphae, and it is a cell wall. Here I talk about it is a cell wall. It is except there is no septate, there is no wall between the cells, and there is a protoplasm, common protoplasm. There is many number of nucleus inside. There is cell wall, there is cytoplasm. Septate क्या होता है? Septate में यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ, यहाँ पे ये देखिए septate type of hyphae. I will talk about the hyphae type. Hyphae. If I talk, there is a septum. There is septum, which keeps each nucleus. This is the nucleus. This is nucleus. And there is also each cell contain its separate own protoplasm here. It contains own protoplasm here. It is the own protoplasm. Then there is a cell wall here. I talk about there is a cell wall. This is what this is. This is a septate type of. This is septate septated, septate hyphae, that means divided hyphae. There is a septum, there is in the between of the two cells, this is one cell, this is second cell, there is a septum. And there, this type of hyphae is the union, they are, this is a multicellular, and each cell contains own nucleus, own part of protoplasm, and a cell wall covered. Then I talk about the what is septate and aseptate type of hyphae are seen in the fungi. Some species of fungi have a septate type of hyphae, and some have the aseptate type of hyphae. Hyphae is a structural unit that gives a network known as a mycelium. Then this is known as the mycelium. Later on, the mycelium differentiated into vegetative part, and some differentiated into the reproductive part. And here the cell wall, if I talk about it is the fifth of fungi. Fungi जो होते हैं, इनका जो cell wall होता है composed of, they have a plant like features. They have this one has a plant like features. Fungi जो होते हैं cell wall जो होता है composed of chitin and cellulose. Chitin is a tough, hard, rough outer covering made of protein, and cellulose is a complex type of carbohydrate composed of polysaccharide, and the cell wall is composed of this and this cell wall. It is that means fungi जो होते हैं इनमें किंगडम प्लांटे लाइक फीचर इस तरीके में है. और इनमें जो होते हैं 5-6, इनमें जो फूड स्टोर होते हैं, फूड स्टोरेज जो होते हैं, फूड स्टोरेज इन ग्लाइकोजन इन फॉर्म होता है. इनमें जो फूड, जैसे कि प्लांट्स में जो एक्स्ट्रा ग्लूकोज होता है वो स्टार्च में स्टोर रहता है, इन द स्टेम, इन द बड, in the leaves, in the root part, that remains extra storage of glucose in the form of starch. यहाँ पे extra जो food storage रहता है वो रहता है किस फॉर्म में स्टोर ग्लाइकोजन फॉर्म में. ग्लाइकोजन इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म ऑफ कार्बोहाइड्रेट. इट इज अ कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म ऑफ carbohydrate. It is a complex form of carbohydrate. ग्लाइकोजन की सूरत में ये अपने सेल पार्ट में स्टोर करते हैं खाना. तो जो एज ए सैप्रोफाइट है, ये कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ग्लूकोज को ग्लाइकोजन में स्टोर करते हैं. अगर हम बात कर लेंगे रिप्रोडक्शन की, इनमें रिप्रोडक्शन, मोड ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन जो होता है इनमें हमने देखा है, इनमें दो तरह की रिप्रोडक्शन होती है. एक तो एसेक्सुअल टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन, दूसरा सेक्सुअल टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन. asexual and sexual type of reproduction. Asexual type of reproduction में क्या होता है, इनमें क्या होता है, इनमें होता है they shows by the fission, they shows multiple fission by means of fission, binary fission, multiple fission, spore formation के कारण भी ये रिप्रोड्यूस करते हैं एसेक्सुअली. स्पोर फॉर्मेशन में क्या होता है, जो इनका स्पोर एंजियोफोर होता है, दे बेयर्स द स्पोरोगोनिया, दैट स्पोरोगोनिया bears the spores. When their spores develops and their maturation takes place, then their sporogonia ruptures. Then the lot of spores are secreted into the air. They are lighter in structure, lighter in mass, very very light in weight. Then there is also spore formation. Spore formation is very common in the kingdom fungi. They have spore formation, very common. It is very common by means of spores. And also sometimes the mycelium divided into number of hyphae, and each hyphae have capability represent a reproductive unit and develops into a new fungus, into a new individual. वो हम कहते हैं कुछ हाइफे जो होता है, कुछ हाइफे जो होता है ये भी एसेक्सुअल में ही आता है, एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में आता है। कुछ हाइफे जो होते हैं वो क्या होता है, वो समटाइम्स दे रिप्रेजेंट ए रिप्रोडक्टिव यूनिट, ये ब्रोक ऑफ होते हैं, स्प्लिट होता है, मीन्स ये अपने पेरेंट से फिशन टेक प्लेस बाय पेरेंट बॉडी से क्या होती है, इसकी फिशन होती है, then they develops into develops नहीं कहेंगे, regenerators into a new individual, न्यू इंडिविजुअल में रिजेनरेट होता है। Sometimes it is also a sexual. If I talk about, I told you about the fission, binary fission, multiple fission, the hyphae broke off, some part of mature hyphae broke off by their parental body, by their parent body, then have the generation process, with the generation process a new individual is obtained. ये वैसी है जब हम एक सिटम काटते प्लांट से, उस सिटम को फिर हम सो करते हैं मिट्टी में तो वो शमकत रखता है, तो वैसे ही वो सिटम कट पीस ऑफ सिटम डेवलप होता है, जैसे कि वो उसका पेरेंट ऑलरेडी डेवलप हुआ है। तो यहाँ ये चीज नहीं है रिप्रोडक्शन में, दे ऑल्सो रिप्रोड्यूस सेक्सुअल, देयर इज ऑल्सो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इज सीन इन द किंगडम फंगी, that they by formation gametes formation, by gametes formation there is the sex gametes, and एक होता है एक मेल गेमीट, दूसरा होता है मेल गेमीट, दूसरा होता है फीमेल gametes, and by means of sexual reproduction there is a formation of zoospores, and there is a fusion. There is a fusion. When there is a fusion, there is a zygote formation. When there is a zygote formation, there is a new formation of new individual. So this is one. It is the first way, and here the first way. It is here the second way. Formation of zoospores, gametes formation, sex gametes, male gamete. Then this is here again. Here is the fusion. When here is the fusion, there is a gametic fusion. Here is the formation of zygote, and the zygote also develops into a new individual. As well we can say there is a sexual conjugation. एक तो सेक्सुअल कॉन्जुगेशन भी एक मेथड है इनमें, जो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन होता है, और इसमें और भी एक मेथड है सेक्सुअल कॉन्जुगेशन मीन्स टू मीट टुगेदर। यहाँ पे एक हाइफे पार्ट होता है, वो हाइफल पार्ट क्या होता है, वो दूसरे हाइफे से इट इज अ हाइफे फर्स्ट, मान लीजिए ये हाइफे फर्स्ट है, ये डिपेंड करता है यहाँ पॉजिटिव, यहाँ पे ये नेगेटिव, ये यहाँ पे मान लीजिए पॉजिटिव, बोथ एक्ट एज मेल एंड फीमेल, there is a conjugation to come together, then there is here the fusion, here is the formation of the gametes, then here is the fusion of the two hyphae, it is the hyphae second. The meeting of the two hyphae, you will learn inshallah in the higher classes. Here is the hyphae, meeting of the hyphae first and hyphae second, one act as negative, as other act as female positive, then there is a fusion, there is formation of the here there is the sexual conjugation, इसको कहते हैं sexual conjugation. आगे चलेंगे हम इसमें sexual conjugation के बाद character features of the kingdom feature. हम what various variety of species include in the kingdom fungi? I named the certain here. There you have heard the bread mold. Here the bread mold, which is known as the bread mold here, is the example, which is Rhizopus. Rhizopus examples अगर हम इसमें mention कर लेंगे, examples Rhizopus हम कहेंगे यहाँ पे Rhizopus या म्यूकॉर ये example है यहाँ पे. Second one is the yeast or the Saccharomyces है, which is the scientific name of this yeastus, multicellular fungus. And then is the, we can say, I have mentioned the pink mold, pink molds, इनको हम कहते हैं pink bread molds. They have pink dots are seen in the piece of bread. Pink bread molds. They are known as the Neurospora. This is known as the Neurospora. Another example is the Penicillium is another example. There is also examples of here the cup fungus. Cup fungus is example. Another example, cup fungus. Another example is sponge fungus. Sponge fungus, which is known as the Morchilla. ये आपने देखा होगा Morchilla. Mushroom, commonly known as mushroom, which is known as the Agaricus. Agaricus is the scientific name here. Then is the Aspergillus. Aspergillus is another example of the key. There are various other examples, as some are the parasites fungus. Among them they are saprophytes. Some are the parasites, as I talk about the smut, rust, smutting disease, rusting disease. They are the fungal diseases, and the name is the common name. Then is the Puccinia. Rust is known as Puccinia. It is not Puccinia. This is known smut. Astiligo. This is the Astiligo, the scientific name of this smut. But these are also the belong to the kingdom fungi. This is the various examples I can include in the kingdom fungi. Then here is the concept of the separate concept of the lichens. Here I have mentioned lichens. Lichen जो है, here is the symbiotic. It is a symbiotic association of symbiotic association of किसका है symbiotic association? fungi species, कुछ fungi species की association है और algae species की association. It is the association of mutualism. They show the mutualism process, symbiosis process. इनमें देखा जाता है symbiosis. What is this? In this A1 is the जो fungi species, इसमें जो है fungi species है, जो ये दोनों मिलजुल कर रहते हैं. They come together. They are very close to each other. If this is the algae here, algae association here, then it is, if these are the algae, here I will represent it here, if these are the algae, and there is the association of the fungus association. Here I show with the help of diagram, fungi association. Yeah, these are the, I represented with the help of diagram. This is the fungi. Suppose these are the fungi individuals. There is they show the symbiosis with the algae. Then this is collectively known as the life. They have the close association. They come, they live together, they survive together, they remain dependent to each other. No individual can survive independently. यहाँ पे जो फंगी स्पीशीज जो होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, वो डेराइव करते हैं, डेराइव वाटर एंड मिनरल्स फ्रॉम सबस्ट्रेटम से वो हासिल करते, वो लेते हैं. इट हेल्प्स इन दिस, इनका काम रहता है टू अपटेक वाटर एंड मिनरल्स and from the substratum where they develop, where they have a hold, where they feed on the substratum can be dead and decomposing organic matter. ये substratum हो सकता है. और इसमें जो यहाँ पे दिखाता हूँ मैं, इसमें जो algae जो होते हैं, algae species होता है, B part जो मैंने mention किया, it is the A, it is the B. algae जो होते हैं, algae स्पीशीज जो होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, वो सिंथेसाइज करते हैं, दे सिंथेसाइज फूड. क्योंकि इनमें क्या होते हैं, क्लोरोफिल होते हैं, इनके बॉडी में क्या होते हैं, इन देयर बॉडी दे हैव अ क्लोरोफिल, दे सिंथेसाइज देयर फूड. देयरफॉर these algae species provide the food to the algae. Algae provide food to the fungi, and the fungi provide the water and minerals as a raw material for the preparation for the synthesis of their own food. And इस association को हम कहते हैं symbiosis, and they show the symbiotic association. Both the two different species in this have a mutualism and are benefited to each other. They help together. They help when they are together. They survive together. And they remain alive together, and their association is very important. Then it provides this way synthesis food and provide food to the fungi, and the fungi provide to them the water, H2O लिखूंगा मैं, water, minerals, जो इनको minerals are provided to the fungi ताकि ये खाना तैयार कर सके, और कुछ part of food इसको भी provide होते हैं. Then this is the symbiotic association. We in the lichens we can see इसमें जो क्या होता है, where they develop in the tundra regions, on the barren rock surfaces, icy surfaces पे ये develop होते हैं. Like moist bark of plants, bark of trees पे भी develop होते हैं. Where they can be found, these areas, these places, these या जो volcanoic lava होता है, volcanoic एक जो लावा होता है, जब ऑन कूलिंग, जब वो उनका जो कूल्ड सरफेस होता है, कूल्ड सरफेस, वो ये उस वक्त उस पे भी ये डेवलप हुए होते हैं एज अ pioneer species, as in we can say pioneer जो species होते हैं. If we take the concept of the succession, in the succession concept जो lichens होते हैं, they prove themselves as a pioneer species होते हैं जो कोई मिट्टी नहीं होती है या कोई surface area newly exposed हुआ है या मतलब लैंडस्लाइड के कारण एक मतलब सॉइल एक्सपोज हुई है, अब वहाँ पे एक नई नई सॉइल आई, नई मिट्टी आई, तो वहाँ पे चांसेस होते हैं ये जो लाइकन्स होते हैं फर्स्ट दे डेवलप ऑन दोज एरियाज विच आर वेरी न्यू, which are not habitated by other organisms, which are not vegetated, then there is a chances of growing such species first. Therefore it is known as the pioneer species. So lichens themselves prove to many new habitats as a pioneer species. यहाँ पे जो lichens होते हैं lichens, they can be differentiated into the lichens can be differentiated into the three. Here is the one is the foliose, and another is the fruticose, and third one is the crusteose. They are the three differentiative form of the crustose. Say crusteose. Foliose, which is a foliose, and another is the fruitiose and crustose. These are the three differentiative differentiation form of the likeness, three differentiative form of the likeness, and it sometimes as per their fruiting body, as per their thallus part is concerned, their structure, foliose type, fruitiose type, and the crustose type. And this is all about the kingdom fungi, and then the separate concept likeness or the aggregation of the fungi and the algae. I hope you understand today's topic, and thank you.